So this one's for the Navy guys. I wanna take off from a carrier someday before I die. Strap that viper to a catapult and watch that fucker fly. 200 knots in under 2 seconds, that's my kind of fun. Do a barrel right after takeoff just like in Top Gun. But I don't wanna land. Allow me to explain and you'll understand. It ain't about the landing. Why would I care? You never have a crosswind and you never have a flare. You got 4 fucking wires. How could you miss? I can't think of anything that's easy to miss. But once you're on the deck, my friend, never the same again. 'Cause you're stuck on a boat in the middle of nowhere with 5,000 other men. Join the Navy. Yeah, I don't think so. Living on a boat. Yeah, I don't think so. Hot bunking. Yeah, I don't think so. Doing night traps. Fuck that. I don't think so. Sure, I thought about the Navy, but decided to pass. I love my 5-star hotels and per diem out the ass. I do all of my fighting well within the shores. Cable TVs, cappuccinos, that's the way that you fight a war. This won't lie, it can grow. Whoa. When the coffee ain't fresh, sheets ain't soft, and the beer is only somewhat cold. Smooth! Man, it's so easy to sound good up here with harmonies like that.